Shri Guru Charanam Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamoye Savadhana Mate Chaharam Prasadem Bahim E Bhavato Riya Jaham Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Koriyakyam Aranang Koriho Mani Asham Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttama Gati Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asha Shri Guru in Kali Yuga, the Tattva with Guru is bringing us to the Tattva of Nama, placing us at the lotus feet of Sri Harinam Prabhu. And that is the chief function of Sri Guru, greatest mercy of Sri Guru in Kali Yuga. Guru gives us Bhagavan, and Bhagavan in Kali Yuga is Sri Harinam Prabhu. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित हो प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते हैं विद्या विनाशा जाती वेद गाया हर चरित हो श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना हाँ प्रभु को दया देह मोरे पादचयन ए बिजाज कुशु त्रिभुवन श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावन Prabhupada came to Western countries. What did he do? Srila Prabhupada just sit under the tree in the Tompkins Square Park. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Prabhupada knows the whole Dhamma is in the Nama there. He was implanting Dhamma there as he was calling out to the Lord. He's bringing the Dhamma. That is the Nama. Srila Prabhupada ki jaya, Srila Gurudeva ki jaya. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyevacha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavibhyo namo namah. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. They are dear to Bhagavan. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from the lotus feet of all the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padadhuli ताहि मोर स्नान केली तर्पण मोरा वैष्णवेर नाम धन मोर नित्यानंद. When I don't respect Bhagavan himself in the Nama, how can my aparadha nature change to respect the living entities around, to see the Lord in their heart? How can that happen? When I don't see the Lord in the Nama that is so merciful, that he agreed to be here with the petition of Guru despite my constant aparadha tendency. When I don't do that to Bhagavan, when I don't pay that respect to Bhagavan, how will this Jiva, who is a Nitya Bhatta, pay respect to Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities? वैष्णवेर पदधूली ताहि मोर स्नान केली तर्पण मोर वैष्णवेर नाम. These are all acharyas singing these bhajans. They are Sampurna Nama Ashraya Bhaktas. How can our Sampurna Nama Ashraya happen without Acharya Upasana? Can that just happen with this flickering mind? This good for nothing intelligence? No. Nama is Bhagavan. Bhagavad Ashraya is given by the Acharya. Dhana Mora Nityananda Pati Mora Gaura Chandra Prana Mora Yogala Kishore. वृंदाय तुलसी देव्याय प्रियाय केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः. The groves of Vrindavana are accessible. We are placed in the groves of Vrindavana. When the Nama reveals Rupa and Guna and reveals our Rupa and Guna in the Siddha Deha, then we are placed in the groves of Vrindavana. तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी नमो नमः. राधा कृष्ण सेवा पाओ यही अभिलाषी ये तुम्हारा शरणालय तारा वांछा पूर्णा होय कृपा कोरी कोरो तारी वृंदावन वासी मोर ये अभिलाष विलास कुंजा दियो वास नयने हरि बो सदा युगल रूप रहसी. These are not speculations. Sakiranugatya Seva doesn't happen in the mind. Cannot be imagined in the mind. They happen through Nama, purification of the Nama, Siddha Deha given by Nama. Hari Nama, Hari Nama, Hari Nama Eva Kevala. Kalau na asti eva na asti eva na asti eva gatiranyata. Yehi nivedana tharo sakirano gata kuro. सेवाधिकारो दियो करो नीच दासी दीना कृष्णा दासे होई एये ना मोरा होई श्री राधा गोविंद प्रेम सदा ये न बासी. Sakiranugatya Seva is by Nama. Sri Radha Govinda Prema, Krishna Prema is by Nama. Yani kani cha papani brahmahatyadikani cham तानि तानि प्रणश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिण पदे पदे.